everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Well, due to the coronavirus pandemic, I'm stuck at home. I was working till yesterday, and finally my boss said, "You're sitting at home, you're not visiting customers and whatnot." So I was like, alright. So I'm home today. The beauty is today is 16 degrees, so yeah, the weather is kind of mucky, but well, it's 16 degrees and I'm gonna start the Skyline. It does have a 1550 weight oil, so I've waited for a hotter day to start. Last time this was started was early November, and now it's March 20th, so it's gonna huff and sorry, it's gonna huff and puff and cough like me, and then it will idle out. So let's see how it goes.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
Well, it started up pretty uneventfully, and it's not misfiring. It's idling nice. It's idling around 1500 RPM, but that's okay. That's okay for a car that has been sitting there for almost 4 months. So, and the gas is also 4 months old. I did top it up with 94, and then this gas also have a lot of fuel stabilizers and injector cleaner, the Lucas product. See the review over there, and yeah, that product doesn't make the engine run that great, to be honest with you, but it takes care of the oil and it does clean the injectors. Let's see how it goes.
So after warming up the R32, I went to my mechanic, Chris. Right now he's working on my 390ZS twin turbo. He's doing the 120K kit. My valve covers were leaking, which was making a little bit of smoky. He's fixing that, and since the car is there, I also told him to change the pads and rotors. I gave him all the parts, and it's getting lowered. Yay! So stay tuned, hit the like and subscribe button, and from now on it seems like because I will be home for the next couple of days, blame it on Corona, just my boss told me to work from home, so I will probably be making quite a bit of vlogging style videos, so let's see what you guys think of that.